This is Jordan. She passed the test a couple of years ago. She has cats, hadn't eaten at McDonald's until 2020, and likes things that are yellow. Jordan will be acting as our learner and will be your visual guide to all things learner driver. Now, down to business. First thing you'll need is a provisional licence. You can't take your first lesson without it. Then, you need to make sure you book your theory test. It can take a while to get a slot, so make sure you get one as soon as you can. Now you're almost ready for your first lesson. Now take a breath, relax, and think about the future.
I ain't surprised at all. Seen them rise and fall. Went up the mountain, it wasn't hard to climb at all. At the top, I found some relief. I finally got some peace. Carry on, but please don't mess up the mood.
But remember, every adventure starts with a first step.